Alright, so let's talk about Turbot Token today, how we can make over 500% APR. That is crazy. Hope you zoom in and see this APR. I'm going to show you how you can provide liquidity, how you can make this over 500% APR token, and let's check what is the hot updates for the Turbot Token. Do I'm recording? Yes. So welcome back. This is Crypto Phil, and thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking. This is me right here. Make sure you watch some of my videos because I'm working my ass off to bring quality video to you, especially for yield farming and how you can find good liquidity pools. Now, if you never watched the video for yield farming, where to start, I just posted yesterday. Make sure you watch it and see what's going to happen and how you can learn how to yield farming. So let's talk about Turbot Token. So if you go and check their Twitter, let's talk about first the hot updates. What's the hot updates? Let me just go right here. So this is Turbot Token. Have all over 65,000 followers, huge community. I'm following them. Make sure Turbo you follow me if you want. If not, if you're just a guy or girl who, it doesn't matter, who love Turbo, make sure you subscribe and like and leave me a comment and let me know what is your favorite meme tokens. Again, and the hot updates for Turbo are they have announcement that they're going to have announcement on the 25th of this month of June. It depends when you watch this video. So that's the announcement, and that's why the price is blowing up. So they say we have announcement for the big partnership on June 25. So they have announcement for announcement. I love that. That's crypto. They say we have announcement and the price blowing up. You must love crypto. All right, let's continue. Everybody say, oh, meme tokens will go down to zero and all that stuff, but I don't see this happening for a lot of meme tokens, to be honest, and I still think meme tokens will outperform most of the tokens in the crypto market. So Turbo Tokens at the moment, it's 364 million market cap. And if you just compare that with PEPE, who is 5 billion market cap, that's good around 16x just to hit PEPE price. And is that possible? Yes, of course. According to me, make sure you understand nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. Never ever put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and you can lose everything. Okay, so your money, your responsibility. So again, what about Doge Token? Doge Token right now is 18 billion market cap. Doge Token in the last all-time high was around 80 billion market cap, if I'm not mistaken. Shiba hit around 65, but the new token right now, it's PEPE and also WIF and also Floki getting good hype and bread. And if you go down all the way, Turbo just blow up just recently in the last month. So what's happening is, if you go to max, you will see that it was sleeping giant. Blow all the way from 0.00069 all the way to almost 1 cent. That's crazy. Have a nice healthy correction, and I was just going to buy yesterday at around 0.04 and blow up all the way up. Well, it is what it is. I'm happy because I have a nice, I think for me, good bag. It's not huge. I don't have millions tokens. I just have some tokens because I only spread the risk. You never know. It's crypto. I like spreading the risk. But what I'm aiming here just to show you is how we can earn over 500% APR. The tool to research the APR I'm using, it's called Krystal. I'll leave the link down in the description. Make sure you use the correct link because there are many scammer links. So this is for yield farming. If you never yield farming, please watch the video from yesterday. Again, it's called yield farming, where to start. It's give you all the updates there. So if you go and just check the pools right here, you will see this is on Ethereum. Please be aware and take that into consideration. Ethereum have huge fees, so if you provide liquidity here, need to be good amount. I will say at least 3,000–4,000 bucks, and just don't touch it for a very long time. Because if you, this is liquidity providing, so make sure you understand the impermanent loss. But that's why I like to provide liquidity with good two pairs. In this case, it's meme token and Ethereum. Maybe it's not good, but it's worked for me in the past with WIF, and also it's working with Myro, and also I have MEW, okay, that's on Solana. Okay, so let's go and let's explore. So if you provide, again, if you go here, this is Ethereum, and you put here Turbo, and you will see there are two liquidity pools, and if you go to the first one, you will see there TVL is 1 million. That's mean 1 million invested during recording, yes, and there are 5 million trading volume, and the fees are $15,000 fee for the last 24 hours, which mean I want and you want part of this fee. So that is liquidity providing, because this is like a business. So if you go and provide liquidity, you set the range and you say, okay, if Turbo price is between this and this range, I will get partial of that fees. I will get percentage of that fees. And if you just put, if you say the Turbo will double the price from now on and can go down at 20%, that's mean 120% wide range. Again, this is on Ethereum, take that into consideration. You will earn over 500% APR, and I think that is crazy. But let's be more conservative. Let's say, you know what, Phil, I think Turbo going to hit 3x from this price, okay? And that can take some time, can take weeks, can take months, and I don't think we'll go below 20% from this current price compared with Ethereum. So if Ethereum go down and Turbo go down, happy days, you still make money. If Ethereum go up and Turbo go up in the same time, you make even more money, and even for the longer time, so remember that. So even if you say that the price going to go up 300% from this price, so minus 20 plus 300%, what is crazy to think about, you will still earn 330% APR, what I think is huge. And if I'm providing liquidity, my personal opinion, probably I'll put that range. I'll put minus 25% down, and I'll put around 300 or maybe even 350% up, which means I'm set till Turbo hit 3x from this price. And just imagine that can take months, can take weeks, can take a year. So in between time, you earning APR all the time. And this is, remember, this is projected APR. Is this trading volume is bigger than 5 million on Uniswap, is going to be the APR much more. If the trading volume is lower, you're going to get less APR. Okay, that's about it for this video. Again, Turbo is not sponsor video, but if community want to support, and just leave me a comment, like and subscribe, I'll highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Go Turbo to the moon. All right, see you in the next one.